Hi, this is Susan Davis with Diamond D Graphics, and I'm here today to do a video on WordPress software beginning tutorial. When you hire me as your graphic designer, your web designer with Diamond D Graphics, I set up the website and build it, and then I turn it over to my clients if they want to make changes themselves. So this video does not show you how to upload software to start a website, but it shows you, now that the site is up and running, how to work with the WordPress administration section. So to do that, I always start out with the website that I'm working on live, and I'm going to be using my website as a demonstration for these videos. So here's my website, and then I open up another tab where I log into the administration section. So that's right here. So I log in, and this is what the dashboard is going to look like when you first come into the administration section. And your screen, your settings are going to look different than mine. But for instance, I have my site stats up here at the top. And this area here can be, you can move these things around if you want. So I won't go into all the details on that, but that's what this area over here is about. And then on this side are all the menus, links, and all the information, all the software, all the plugins, all the different functionality of the website, which can look, I'm sure, overbearing for a beginner to look at all this and not understand what it's all about. But this video is just going to get you started on looking at your pages and your posts. And pages are right here. So if I click on that, it brings me to all the pages that are on my website. If I scroll down, I can see all of these, and there's actually a page 2, one of 2. So if I clicked here, I'd go to my second screen of all my different pages. So if I come back over here, and I wanted to make a change to a page, we'll just go to this first one, About Me. When I hover over the About Me, you see these 4 little menu links show up. I can edit the page. I can do a quick edit, which if I click on that, it just allows me to change the title and some other things, the template, just some basic information. Or I can trash the page, get rid of it, or I could view it. I'm going to edit it, so I can either click here or here to bring that page up. And here's the page, the About Me page. Let's get rid of that. Here's where you put your title, your page title right here, About Me. And click in that box if I wanted to change the name of the page. And then this is just like any kind of a word editor down here. If I click inside this box, I can come down into this text and make some changes if I would like. Here's the rest of all the information on that page. I have a photo here. If we go over to the live site and go to the About Me page, here's all that information right here. And you're probably wondering, well, what's all this over here? Well, this website is built on a template where all the page information is here. And these are called widgets running down the right-hand side, which I will not get into with this video, but That's the reason when we come back over here and we just see this page information right here, that's right here. It's going to show up right here. Over here is the status of the page. It's published, it's visible, how many revisions have been done, the date it was published. Right here are the page attributes. And that would be if in the menu system, if I wanted to put this page underneath a main heading, like galleries. I have all these different galleries underneath the main gallery heading. So if I wanted to move this page to underneath one of those, I could do that here. And the template that the website is running. I have all these different choices. I would not mess with this if, well, not if I built the website. You know, I've designed the site with these particular templates in mind. So, but if you had done it yourself, you had done your website yourself, you certainly could change this. And so if I did make some changes, if I came down in here, let's say I wanted to add something at the end of my page, I would click here at the end and hit my return key and then add more information here. And then I would want to make sure I hit your update button right here. Once that's done, come over here to the live site. This is the way I like to do it. And then refresh the page. And for some reason it's going really slow right now. Let's see if we can get it to refresh quicker than that. Okay. Down here, add more information. That's the text I just added. So back over to edit. I don't want that on there, so I'm going to take that text off. And hit my update again. Back over to the live site, refresh. And that information is gone now. So it's back to the way it was. Okay, now back over here. We'll go back to pages again. Click on that link. Again, here's all my pages. If I wanted to add a new page, I would come up here to the Add New button. Enter my title here, new page. Then come down here in my body of the page and type my new page information right here. Then I would come over here and if I wanted to put this underneath something, I'll do that just so you can see what it looks like. I'll put it under galleries. And I won't mess with the template or anything else. I'm just going to hit publish. Then actually, if I come over here and hit my refresh, it's not going to show up under the galleries menu because that's a whole different tutorial. I have to set up my menu links. So I will do that right now real quickly. And I won't take the time to explain all this in this video as far as menus. But if you can follow along with what I'm doing here, more power to you. Don't mean to confuse you. I just added it. Added that page to go underneath the galleries, this galleries column right here. There's our new page. There it is. So come back over here. I need to get rid of that. Back to the Pages menu. Here's the new page that we made. I'm going to get rid of it. We'll add a new page this time. And down here in the body, we're going to type new information. And let's say I wanted to add a photo to go along with this page. Depending on where I want that photo to show up, I have different options, but since this is a beginning tutorial, I'm just going to show you the easiest way to do that, and that's add media right here. In here I can choose an image that I've already uploaded, or I can upload a new file right here. Go here and choose a new image. But for this tutorial, I'll use an image I already have up in my media gallery in here. So I'll just grab one of these. Then over here is my display settings. I can align the image to the left, center, right, or none. I'm going to choose right because I want it to come to the right of my text. And I can choose the size. Well, I don't want it that large. I'm going to go with the medium setting and insert it into the page. And there's my image. It's to the right of the text. If I click on it, I could change the alignment right here. I'll take it to the left of the text. If I come over here and I don't mess around with any of this and just publish it, then if I come over here to the live site and go to my home page, just click on the top here to refresh everything. Now you see the new page is there. So if I click on that link, There's our new page. So there's that page. I'm going to get rid of it. Now let's talk about posts. Posts are news articles, blog articles, whatever you want to call them, that automatically show up under your news link. So anytime I write a blog article, it's going to show up here. Right down the page, here's all the different articles. Keeps going. These are all articles I've written. And that's what posts are. Very important to add new information to your website. And WordPress is built to be a blog software. Lots of new content in your website is important for search engine results. So if I wanted to add a new post, I would click on the new, add new. This works just like Pages. I would enter my title here, new news today. Same instructions down here. Write your article. Add a photo if you want. Which it's being very slow. There it comes. We've got a bad snowstorm right now, so it's my internet connection's not the best. Okay, there it is. If I publish it, before I do that, I come down here to categories. You can create categories for your news articles if you want to. If you have a lot of different topics you're talking about, you might want to do that. These categories do increase your search engine rankings. I mean, it does have some weight to it. So, but let's say I didn't want to do that. I'll just hit publish. Now, if I come over to the news, the live site, click on that news page. There's my new article right there. All right. So I'm going to go back to all posts. And there's the one I added. I'll get rid of it. And that's going to be the end of this tutorial. Just a quick review showing you the pages and the posts in the WordPress software. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.